Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Oklahoma Joe's Ryder DLX pellet grill with me, Max Good. Part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking, is on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products, and when we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Oklahoma Joe's Ryder DLX pellet grill. Man, this is a big fellow, weighing in around 300 pounds. You gotta love those Oklahoma Joe's wagon wheels. And this handle on the pellet hopper opens up a very unique hopper cleanout system that we'll show you in a minute. I always like it when a corded device includes just a little something for you to wrap up the cord and get it out of the way when not in use. Look at this! 2 grease buckets, one on each side, and a removable ash cup in the middle. Here's another Oklahoma Joe's feature, a side shelf that also doubles as a handle to move Ryder around. Speaking of which, we have a nice solid lid handle up front. Tool hooks that slide around on a long towel hanger. And here's something that's very unique. They claim not only can you smoke, but you can sear too. You can bet we'll be checking that out. Let's take a look under the hood. 2 adjustable height cooking racks come with this model. Oklahoma Joe's calls this large 18-inch diameter cast iron grate their high heat zone. Here's how it works. A cover or diffuser goes over the fire pot. That stays in place. But let's remove it to show how that smoke sear selector lever functions. Now it's in closed position for smoke, but if I want to switch it over to sear, take a look at what happens. The selector exposes direct flame from the fire pot. Set for searing, the cover goes back on, and you're ready to sizzle. The control panel has inputs for 2 meat probes. One comes with it. And there's a covered port so you can thread it through the side and monitor foods without crimping your wires under the hood. This is another really cool deal. A lot of pellet grills have pellet cleanout doors, but Ryder's is the best we've seen. Now the spring on this pull-out handle is hard to pull, which is good, because it won't pop open by accident. Look at that! And it empties into this slide-out bucket underneath. Well, I gotta tell you, this Oklahoma Joe has captured our imagination. Let's see if it can capture our taste buds too. Oklahoma Joe's Ryder DLX. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.